Yeah, it's been a while since I've posted anything on the build, so today I've decided I'm going to try some of this aluminium solder out. I'll just round some of these off a bit, go out a bit, widen them. Some dickhead marked that out wrong, at least he drew it up wrong. Yeah, we'll see how they go under those rods. So these are meant to be aluminium welding rods, low heat. I don't think I've got enough, so we'll find out what happens. Yeah. Just gonna clean these up a bit. I don't sit very well with this. This is for a different motor, different setup. I think it was side feed bottoms. We'll put on top feed. But anyway, we'll see how these things go. Hopefully I don't fuck it up. Anyway, see you. Right, so hopefully this is not going to be a disaster. We have to try and cut these down so they sit flat. So I've marked them up. So my little flaring job's non-existent. So I might be doing these twice if I fucking don't fit properly. Okay. So on the other YouTube channel I sort of eyeballed, they said to wire brush it, and I'm going to sand this shit. Okay, kind of got it all set up. Looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to go grab the gas set and go for it. Well, gotta say, maybe that pipe's too thin. That's a fail.